Hi, today I'm for Samsung Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the settings application and then the Gmail application, and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account button. Now with Google account settings, we have no here any just logged in Google account. So let's go back to the application, and here we can see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.